Welcome to another Autodesk Inventor tutorial. My name is Mr. Galindo. Today we're going to be looking at some more modification sketch tools. So you can see within Inventor here I am in the sketch mode, and under the modification tab we are going to be looking at the trim, extend, split and offset buttons. Firstly, trimming. Trimming is a really useful tool that allows us to create rough sketches very rapidly and then cut out the lines or geometry we don't need. For example, this rectangle here, I'd like to remove the two lines that intersect it like so. And all I did there was hold the left mouse button and drag it across. However, this triangle angle here, I'd like to now extend to meet this rectangle, and so I can do so like that. The extension tool is very handy if you haven't quite created geometry correctly the first time. Splitting is very useful if you want to preserve the geometry but create two lines rather than one. For example, this circle here is intersected by this rectangle, or the rectangle line is intersected by the circle, and I'd like to split it at this point. Selecting the line is with the mouse is the one that will be split. So if I selected the circle, that would be split at this X point. However, I select the line, it would be split at the circle's point, like so. I'm going to now trim out these excess components that I've just created and show you what the offset tool will do. The offset tool is really useful when you need to often create larger geometry using an original profile. So I have a quite unique profile here. Selecting the offset tool and then selecting this whole profile, as long as it is continuous, will be done in one click, and then you can specify how far you'd like the second offset to be created to, or if you'd like it to be inside and smaller, you can also do the same, just selecting a number. For example, 3mm, typing enter, and you can see now that I have two perfect replicas of the same profile, one a different size to the other. Thank you for listening. That was the Modification Tools Tutorial 2.